AC Resource Booking is a Lightning component for making easy and fast online reservations on your community. Add all kinds of resources and group them by categories. Set up the minimum and maximum reservation time. Define a time zone. Modify the availability time limits and cancellation period. Add preview images into related files. Users can view the list of available resources on the community and sort them by category and date. To book the resource, click on the timeline and choose the duration. Cancel or modify the reservation up to the cancellation period. Effectively track and manage all reservations in your database. Use Resource Booking component by advanced communities.